guys, welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. This is Michelle. Well, this is the spinner I did, and I put some pegs on it so I could put a 20 by 20 on it, and then the 24s by 24s go on the outside. So this is the first time I'm using it. And of course I'm trying something new. I have rigged up my studio so I can do a trough like pour, kind of like what Callen Schaub does. I'm hoping it works. Whoa, Wilbur. Let me see. I gotta get you back in frame. Sort of, kind of. Oops. There. Sorry. It's probably pretty dizzy for you. But before I get to that, I wanted to show you the results of last night's pour. I have a lot of splitting here, and I'm not sure why. I mean, some of it split and some of it didn't, and I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So I'm just taking a little bit of white paint, and I'm rubbing it in. So those cells aren't as nasty looking. This is just regular old house paint I'm using, mixed with a little Floetrol. There you go. So I'm gonna finish this another time because I want to get started on this. See, now I'm getting into this. You can do this with a brush too. I just find it easier with my finger. It just blends a little bit easier. Here we go. So I'm going to finish that another time. But I just wanted to give you a heads up on how to do it. So I have an old canvas. I kind of liked this one, but it's not going to sell. It's just too Oh, I've got two. Because it's a canvas that's already been poured, you do need to spray the back. And when you do that, you just want to make sure that it's all in the corners and everything. And then I'm going to set it on here, and hopefully I won't knock anything over. Ta-da! So I'm not worried about the sides because after I'm finished with this, I've got it all set up over there that I can just set it on something that's level, and then I'll clean this off right away. So what I'm going to do first of all is put down some white paint. This is Bear, I'm not even quite sure which one, and just going to, there we go. I'll need to put some more on, I'm sure. Well, maybe not, I'm not sure. This is the first time I'm trying this, so. Oh boy, but I do want to get my sides, so I'll get the brush out. Torch. And here it comes. All right, guys. This is try number one. Hopefully, okay. This blue, I'm not sure. I think it's phthalo blue. This is, it's a periwinkle color. It's a violet blue light. This is turquoise blue from Amsterdam, I think. Or is it? Yeah, I think it is. This is a couple of coppers mixed together. This is Prism Violet. This is Reflex Rose from Amsterdam. And then I have some white, which is the Liquitex Titanium White mixed with Artist Loft. So this is going to be going between the layers. Now I'm like, okay, which one first? Let me move this a little closer. I don't know if you can see it. You know what? Ooh. All right, there we go. So you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna start with a little white. Then I'm going to go with the Reflex Rose. Whoa, sticks. Then the violet. Then, what do I want to put next to the violet? Oh, some more white. Then, some blue. Then, some violet, blue, turquoise, copper. Whoa, I keep hitting my sticks. And then white again. Oh, it's starting to come out the other side. So now, here we go. I'm going to spin the canvas. I'm gonna wait until, oh, well, that didn't work out too well. You know why? I hit the thing. Oh geez. You know what? I'm gonna continue. Whoa! The stand it was on, none of the pink came out. Oh darn it. All right, more pink, more purple. It's coming out the top there too. Some turquoise. I didn't have enough clearance. White. And let's put some blue there. All right, and it's coming out the other side, so I've got to move all this stuff. All right, one more time. You know what's happening? I need to move it over this way. Oh. Isn't this fun? All right. Well, okay, that's a huge mess. Okay, I know what I've done wrong now. I'm going to be moving this over. Oh boy. Okay. Whoa, Wilbur! All right, let's move it over here so it's closer. Oh, I lost one of my things. These are garden stakes, and I didn't make allowance for paint to be coming out. So, okay. Let's set this back up on here for now. Oh my God. Here we go, I think. I still have paint left. So I am going to don't know if this is going to work. You know what? I'm just going to move all this paint off. do that. See? Oh, see? All right, I'm doing it again. I'm pouring it on the canvas. What a mess. Stay. I want to, oops. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to have to put more white on here too. That's all the paint I have for the base. Get my handy dandy. There we go. Callen makes it look so easy. I don't even know if I'm going to air this. We'll see. To air is human. Oh my God. Well, I have a nice background here now. Yeah, I didn't want to waste it. Whoopsie. All right. Oh, Jesus. That's my problem. Well, I have lots of problems, but that's one of them. So it was too far away was the problem. And right now, I don't have anything stopping this from, let me see if I can put something in here to stop the paint from moving. Okay, that's it for now. Didn't think this out too well. White, pink, purple, turquoise, copper, and oh my God, you should see where the paint's ended up. It's kind of crazy. A little more white. All right, so that is full. I'm gonna move everything out of the way. Oops, yeah, all right. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right, that's it, that's all. So it was kind of a colossal waste of paint, but I'm not crying. I almost want to do it again. Okay, that's enough. All right, I'm taking this over here and cleanup will begin. So yeah, an actual wood thing would be better because this is already starting to bend. So let me just, it's my first try. What can I say? Well, second really. And on my new spinner too. Okay, so you guys will have to let me know what you think. I definitely would consider making something a little more sturdy. As you can see, this is falling apart, but I had to try it. And I'll let you know how it dries. And it's a good way to get rid of some paints too. I'm going to give it a torch. It's not bad. It's not hugely bad. All right, I gotta get, oh. Yeah, the background's a little bit muddy. That's okay. Oops. mess. All right. Oh, I've got some touching up to do here. All right, guys, I'll bring you in for the close-up in just a few minutes. It was enjoyable. It was fun. Yeah, it's definitely have to get a wood. I mean, if you could see the paint that's coming off of this thing, and it's the cardboard is just bending. So yeah, no wonder he uses whoa, no wonder he uses a wood one. I'll bet he tried it out like this at first. So it's not horrible. I need some touch-ups here. I love trying new things, even if they don't work out. Yeah, definitely wood. But the cardboard box I thought was ingenious. What a mess. Thank God I put down some puppy pads, but it's still all over the place. All right, guys, I'll bring you down for a close-up in just uno momento. All right, guys. So I don't even know if you're in frame, but in hindsight, I should have made my background a little more cohesive. I should have just mixed those two colors together instead, but it's kind of cool. Like there's a lot of cells popping up. Yeah, it's definitely not something you want to try in a cardboard box, so glad I could do it for you. But it's fun, you know, and yeah, I'm not hating it. The background is like, it's a little bit, I don't know, look at that right there. That's kind of cool. I love that. So we'll have to see how it dries. And yeah, I see a spot right there that needs fixing right there. So I got to get this off of my my turntable so I can clean it before it starts setting up. Anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao. Oh, by the way, I was able to save the paint, and this is what happened to my old this is going to be going in the trash anyways, but kind of interesting, right? All right, that's it. That's all. Bye now.